This is going to be an easy, healthy Chinese teriyaki beef stir fry. So this is going to be a kind of Asian-inspired dish. It's going to take 5 to 10 minutes to put together, and you can make easy 3 servings out of this. It's a perfect meal to put together for your lunch or for an evening meal. High protein, low in fat. Let's get into it. Ingredients for this recipe are some 5% lean mince. I've got some teriyaki sauce, some salt and pepper, some spring onion, some red onion, some peas, some basmati rice, this is just microwavable, sesame seeds, some chopped garlic and some pureed ginger. And that is it. Nice, easy and simple. First things first, I'm going to chop these up and get them in a pan. So first things first, you want to chop one end off your onion. Then sort of kind of get rid of all this skin, the kind of crispy stuff that you don't want. And we will be left with our onion. So this is almost good to go. You want to get this off. So just kind of take all this off. And then all you do is this. You slice it down. This is the easy, honestly, I was blown away when I seen this first time. You slice this down. And then once you're about to start, so we'll just get in there, turn the onion on its side, and slice, and bang, you have some diced onion. That is very easy to do. So you just sort of kind of chop these off at the sides, and it's good to go. So I've got the middle parts here. Amy fucked up the filming. So I was supposed to show you the full part here, but it's all good. You take the middle part, basically cut the end off, and you're good to go. And that is my veg ready to go, along with my peas. So we're just going to put my veg in, so I'm going to do the onions and the spring onion. Also going to put a handful of peas in as well. Don't do that with your teeth, that's how you end up breaking your teeth. Then I'm going to get my seasonings in as well. So now I'm going to put a splash of ginger in there. Just a splash, that's a real quantity. And then about a teaspoon of garlic. And give that a good stir. Give that a good stir around. And then I'm going to add in my teriyaki sauce. This can be a little higher in calories, so go relatively easy on it. But I'm going to cook this for a few minutes, stir fry the veg. In a separate pan, I'm going to get the beef going as well, so that I can be efficient and effective with my time. So I'm going to use about half of this beef. So this is a 750 packet. 375 will be about 3 servings. I'm actually going to make it 4. Let's go for 500 and do 2/3. That will be 3 relatively big servings. Just get the mince in here. And what I'm going to put in here is my sesame seeds. So, slice this open here. You can. Quite dodgy. And get a good teaspoon of sesame seeds in here. That's my beef. And then I'm going to go with turn this down a little bit. And I'm also going to get some ginger, some garlic, and some salt and pepper in here as well. A little bit of garlic, salt, pepper, and I'm going to brown this off and then add in my sauce as well. So beef is cooked up. It literally takes like 3 to 5 minutes. Beef doesn't take a long time to cook at all. And then I'm just going to combine it all in the pan. Stir fry it. Now I will add some more teriyaki here. Again, there is a little bit of calories in teriyaki, so now this is going to be 3, maybe even 4 meals for me, to be perfectly honest. But what I would do, this is a 250ml bottle. I would just take, when you're calculating it out, if you're tracking your macros, etc., just take what's in the sauce and divide it across the recipes and you should be fine. If you're a client, this will be factored in, don't worry. So I'm just going to give this a little bit of a stir through. Give it 2 minutes to simmer. My rice is in the microwave right now and it's actually done. I left it on a little bit too long there. And the rice is the big portion, that does me 2 meals. So again, we're good to go there. This is the final article. I'm going to top it with some salt. You can throw some more sesame seeds on this as well if you like. I've got half a packet of rice. I've got about 1/3 of the beef. So again, this is going to make 3 meals for me, no problem. If you enjoyed the recipe, please do leave a like. It really does mean the world. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And of course, if you'd like to see more videos, let me know in the comments below. And you'll be tons of free shit in the description as well. Meal plans, programs, application to join our program if you want to help losing fat forever, as little as 4 hours each week, along with all the recommended products, supplements, etc. that we recommend to our students on the Fat Loss Forever program. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.